Before you build, plant, or buy anything, visualize it first. Whether you are designing your dream home, planning an estate, decorating a room, or building a farm, see your vision in 3D helps you to make a better decision, avoid costly mistakes, and brings your idea to life exactly the way you imagine it. In this video, I will show you why 3D visualization is a game changer for homeowners, an architect, interior designer, real estate developer, and even a farmer. Yes, a farmer. A lot of people jump into buying and decorating a room without having a clear picture of what they want. They buy furniture that doesn't fit, paint wall 3 times or 4 times before getting it right, or realize too late that they forgot to add a walkway, parking space, or proper lighting. But with 3D design, you can test and see all of these before spending a single naira. It saves time, money, and gives peace of mind. If you are building a house or developing an estate, 3D exterior design is very powerful. You will see the shape of the building, the roofing style, the driveway and gate, and how the space flow into one another, even how they look at night with proper lighting. And for interior design, you can test multiple options, wall colors, furniture layout, lighting features, curtain and decors, all customized to your space, so you will know exactly what you are getting. As a landscape architect, I also help visualize green space from garden to walkway, flower bed and light. And it doesn't stop there. I also design farms on a large plot of land, so you will see exactly where to plant, where the livestock should go, drainage layout, storage zone, and more. So why is 3D design important? You avoid costly mistake. You test idea before building it, before spending a single naira. It helps you to explain your vision to your contractor and investor. You can make confident decisions and save money. At Turner Homes, we offer 3D design service for interior design, estate planning, landscaping, farm layout with pictures, animation, and full visual work too. We operate in Abuja, Lagos, and Ibadan. We are ready to help you to bring your vision to life. Thank you so much for watching. Till next video, stay stunning.